Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy Mickey Mouse. So let's get started. So first step, we are going to do the outline. So this is going to be my head. And then I'm going to sketch out a skeleton for the body. So I want his hand out like this. And this is going to be his body. So I'm going to leave the head for now, and I'm going to try to do details on all the other parts. So next I am going to do his hands. There it goes. And then this is going to be his body. Then I'm going to do his pants. There. Next, his feet is going to be here. And this is the second feet. And then I'm going to do the shoes. So he has kind of giant shoes, so I'm gonna make it big. With the other shoes. So now if you want, you can take an eraser and erase off the lines that you don't need anymore. You definitely don't need this. Okay. So next are his hands. He has white gloves. He usually has white gloves on his hands, so I'm gonna make that. Keep it simple. There you go. So now since we have an outline for the body, next I'm gonna do the face. So first thing is the two circle ears. Then this is how smiley face is. Nice. There you go. And then eyes, just making little eyeballs. Now there he is. And then let me make some fingers. So it is his glove, so it doesn't need to be so clear. 2, 4 here. And there you go. So I'm going to darken some of the parts. His nose. in this part of the eyes, and then his body and legs also. If you want, you can do this with a color pencil. I'm just going to do like this, and then and there you go. So you have a Mickey Mouse. So if you want to color it, you can color it, and this is how it looks after coloring. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please try this at home and let me know how it went. Bye bye.